Candace Carter, Thoughts to Go. This is where I have been telling you, I've been summarizing you the story of my book that I wrote in German. As you see on the picture, it says Wir retten die Welt. That's German for We Save the World. I am not sure if I'm going to continue in this manner. Obviously not in this short manner, because it would take me like, I don't know, 2 years at least. The book has 400 pages. And even if I, do a free translation, it would take a very long time. I am not even sure that's the right thing for me to do right now, because I am not good at translating. It's never been one of my best qualities. I am not good at two things, translating and illustrations. So even the pictures in my book are not illustrations, they're just drawings that maybe could connect to the story, if possible, but they don't tell you about the story. I think the story has to be the story, and you don't need illustrations. But I wanted to add some sketches. As you will see, the sketch you are seeing now will be the sketch that's on the cover of the book. I will, in Books on Demand, publish my book in the next few months. It will be in German. So if you have been listening in English, sorry for right now. There's a chance I might continue, but there's a chance I may not. At the present time, what I'm looking for is someone who would love to translate the book for me. Whatever, I think probably I will be continuing reading the book out loud in German. In the German version from today, I'm doing a summary in German. So to catch up to how far we have gotten up to now. So on one read, which takes about 40 minutes, it's not a read, it's a summary. Then whoever wants to continue in the German version can, from this point on, continue. The next time I will do the second part of the summary, and after that I will be reading the book in German in longer passages. English, guys, sorry for the present. If I work something out, I'll activate this playlist, but up to now you only have part of part one, and we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll get back to you. I said at the beginning of all my videos, this is works in progress. That's what I like to do. I like to have ideas. I like to develop them. And sometimes I find they're just not working. So that's where I am now with the English free version of my book. It will not continue at the present time. I will be doing the German version and publishing the German version. And I'm looking for someone to translate my book into English, which another person can obviously better do than I can do it, for sure. I can't translate anything, especially my own work, so whatever. I wish you the best. I will continue in Thoughts to Go with my German and English version, so tune in again to the playlist 1, to where I will every 2 weeks be talking in English and German, and the weeks in between I will be reading the book in German. So take care. I'm glad you listened up to now, and hope that we can do a good translation. Hope I find somebody. Okay, take care, and bye-bye for now.